Hello Year 2, it's Friday the 29th of January and it's time for our maths session again. So moving on from what we did yesterday. Yesterday we were looking at subtracting. Today we're going to have some new learning and we are going to be looking at multiplying. Does anybody know what multiplying might mean? Have a little think and then tell your grown-up in the room with you what you think multiplying might mean. Multiplying. That's right. Multiplying means more. We're doubling it up, okay? We're looking at times tables. But to start with, before we get on to 2 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table, to start with, we're going to look at doubling. Does anybody know what doubling means? Double. The word double. That's right. It means times by 2. You're giving the same again. You are doubling what's there. So, for instance, I have a box here. How many fish are in this box? We have 1, 2. We have 2 fish, and I want to double the amount of fish that are in that box. So if there's 2 there, how many am I going to need to double it? What is double 2? Have a think. You might have a go at drawing it on your whiteboard. You can have a go at drawing the fish. Double 2. Let's have a look. Let's double it. We've got 2 there and 2 there. We have doubled it. We started with 2. We have doubled. So double 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4. Double 2 is 4. Now, we can count in 2s. Let's have a look. 2, 4. Fantastic. Let's have a go and see if we can count up to 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Well done. So we have doubled the amount of fish that are in there. We started with 2, we've doubled it, and we now have 4. Let's look at the next one. I've got 1, 2, 3 fish in this box. 3 fish. Now I would like to double 3. So if I am doubling 3, am I going to put 2 in there? Why not? Why am I not going to put 2 in there? That's right, because we're not doubling by 2 here, are we? If we had 2 fish down here, then I'd put 2 at the top. But I have got 3 fish down here. So to double 3, I need to bring 3 fish up at the top, don't I? So 3 and 3. You can do it this way. 2, 4, 6. So we know that double 3 is 6. Double 3 is 6. Let's have a look. Say Mrs. O'Keefe had 4 fish down here. How many would I need? That's right. 4 at the top because we're doubling 4. 4 there, we double it, we put 4 up there. Let's count them. We've got 2, 4, 6, 8. We know that double 4 is 8. Well done. Let's move on. Right then, does anybody know what this symbol might mean here? Does anybody know what this symbol might mean? That's right, it means times by, multiply by. We've seen symbols that have the add sign and the subtract sign, but today we're looking at symbols with the times sign, and it means times by. So, just have a look at this. We have got 3 lots of cherries. One group here, one group here, and one group here. So there's 3 lots of cherries, okay? 3 groups of cherries. 3. And in each group there are 2 cherries in. So there's 2 there, 2 there, 2 there. So our multiplication number sentence is 3 times 2. Now this is where counting in twos is going to help us. So we can go 2, 4, 6. We know that 3 times 2 equals 6. Let's do the next one. We have got a group here, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups, 5 groups. So we've already got the 5 there. 4 is 5 times. How many are in each group though? 2. Well done. So 5 times 2 equals, let's count in twos again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We know that 5 times 2 makes 10. Excellent. Right then, let's move on. All right, we've got our number line here. 3 times 2. And what I want you to do here is show on the number line the answer, okay? And you can just do that by circling. So 3 times 2. How can we work this one out? Have a think. Get your whiteboards out and your pens. 3 times 2. You could start on number 2. And we know we're not going to jump on the next dot. We've got to miss a dot out because we're jumping up in twos, aren't we? So 3 times 2. So you could go 2. Bear with me, children. Sorry, Mrs. O'Keefe's board's playing up here. 3 times 2. So we start on 0. We're going to jump to 2. 2, 4, 6. I've got 3 jumps, missing a dot in between each one. 3 times 2. 2, 4, 6. Our answer is 6. If you find that a little bit tricky, just have a go. You can draw the cherries again if you want. So there's one cherry in one group. This is why you've got your whiteboards at home to help you. There's another group, and I need 3, remember. 3 groups, okay? 3 groups, and they've all got 2 cherries in each. So 2, 4, 6. Or remember, use your number line by starting at the 0, going up in twos, not in ones. So we're not going to number 1, then number 2. We're going in twos because we're counting in twos. So you go 2, 4, 6. Okay? Fantastic. Well done. Now, with your booklet, you need to make sure you've got your maths booklet. This one in front of you. Super. And we are looking at the multiplying page, this one here, and it's page 15. Now, all of these questions are all examples that I've done on the board for you. Mine are slightly different to what's in your book, but it's still using the same method, okay? So have a go with your grown-up in doing these for me, and then make sure you email them into our Year 2 email, because I am really impressed with what I'm seeing so far. Keep it up, Year 2. Well done.